Hello my friends, Jean Kanicki here. Today we're going to be juicing. This vibrant juice isn't just colorful, it's your secret weapon for energy, detox, and glowing skin. So come with me. I have my juicer here, which was given to me by a dear friend of mine. His name is Lionel. So I have to give a shout out to Lionel. Thank you, Lionel. I'm using the juicer. So this is one of the first juicers that came out way back when, but it's still new. It's the Jack LaLanne Power Juicer. And it comes with this cup, and we're going to put the cup right here, and it has a container to collect the skins and stuff. So we're just going to put this in here, and this here you use to put the stuff in. Put the goodies in. So we have carrots, we have celery, we have fresh beets, cucumber, and lemon rather, few strawberries. We got ginger, fresh turmeric. Fresh ginger. So let's do this. So if this is too loud, just bear with me a moment. First I have to turn it on.
Is it plugged in?
Okay. Now this is not green juice, this is beet juice. Okay, I made a little bit of a mess because I wasn't paying attention, but that's okay. I'll clean up my mess after, but now I make my juice fresh every day because I like to have fresh juice. I don't like it to be sitting for days and then going to drink it. But this juice, it's so good for you. It detox your body, it reduces inflammation, and it supports digestion and your immunity. So everything about it is wonderful. So here's to you. I'm gonna have my juice. That is so good. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.